What if your doctor could hand you a prescription and then help you cook it? Hi, I'm Dr. Priyal Desai, a primary care physician and certified culinary medicine specialist. Before I was teaching people how to nourish their bodies with real food, I was treating one chronic condition after another: hypertension, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, and the list goes on. And I kept thinking, there has to be a better way. Then I discovered culinary medicine, a powerful blend of science of nutrition with art of cooking. It's not just about telling patients what to eat, but showing them how to. By making basic changes in your diet and lifestyle, you can experience big improvement in your health and live healthier without relying on medications or restrictive diets. As a culinary medicine specialist, I use food as a tool to help support your health, not through restrictive fad diets, but through the fun, flexibility, and flavor. I'm here to help you better understand what's on your plate, build the meals which are well balanced and taste good, and also feel confident about making the choices which can help support your long-term health. Here's a clip from my recent video. We are using freshly milled rye flour for the wrap, which gives it hearty and earthy flavor. Rye is loaded with fiber, which can help keep you full longer and potentially aid in weight loss. It also helps lower the cholesterol, and it's excellent for your gut health. That's why I created FitFab with Food, to bring the evidence-based nutrition and practical wellness right at your screen. Whether you're managing a chronic condition or you just want to feel your best, this space is right for you. Because food is just more than fuel. It's the culture, it's connection, and when used wisely, it is one of the most powerful medicine that someone can have. So if you're ready to learn how to nourish your body and increase your wellness, please go ahead and subscribe. Through my weekly videos, I will be sharing healthy recipes, wellness tips, and some practical tools which you can apply in your real life. Let's cook, learn, and grow together.